After the age of 60, our bodies begin to gradually lose muscle mass, a phenomenon called sarcopenia. This causes many older adults to feel weak, with less flexible limbs each morning upon waking. But don't worry, you can completely improve this in a gentle way. Muscles are not only formed during exercise, but are also most strongly repaired when we sleep. And for the body to repair muscles during sleep, you need to provide enough raw materials which come from food. Eating the right kind of snack before bedtime not only helps you sleep more deeply, but also supports daily muscle strength maintenance. Just a few small changes like adding kiwi or a boiled egg can bring great benefits to your health. 3 foods to eat before sleeping. Kiwi, a small fruit but a powerful ally for sleep and muscles in older adults. Have you ever tossed and turned unable to sleep, or woken up multiple times during the night and felt sluggish and weak in the morning? If you're over 60, this may be a sign that your body isn't recovering well during sleep, especially with muscle loss, a very common issue in older adults. But fortunately, with just one small fruit, the kiwi, you can help your body sleep better and also nourish and restore your muscles. Why are sleep and muscles related? When you sleep, your body begins the process of repairing and regenerating damaged tissues, including muscle tissue. This is a crucial time to maintain muscle mass, which plays a key role in helping you stay upright, walk easily, and maintain good balance. However, if your sleep is not deep or is frequently interrupted, this recovery process is affected. Over time, your muscles weaken, making you more prone to fatigue, falls, and difficulty recovering from injuries. So, what should you eat to sleep better, and from there, protect your muscles? The surprising answer: kiwi. Kiwi, a simple but effective fruit. Kiwi is not only a delicious and refreshing fruit, but also a great sleep aid for older adults. Here are the reasons why kiwi should be included in your evening snack. Contains natural melatonin, a hormone that helps you sleep more deeply. Melatonin is a natural hormone in the body that regulates the sleep cycle. When it gets dark, your body produces melatonin to signal that it's time to rest. But as you age, your melatonin production decreases, making it harder to fall asleep, causing more interruptions and reducing sleep depth. Kiwi is one of the few fruits that contain natural melatonin. Some studies show that eating kiwi regularly before bed can help you fall asleep faster, sleep longer, and wake up less during the night. Tip: eat ripe kiwi soft and mildly sweet to get the highest melatonin content. The common green kiwi is a good choice, but golden kiwi works similarly and is sweeter in taste. Rich in vitamin C and E, anti-inflammatory, and muscle recovery support. Did you know that vitamins are not only good for the skin, but also help protect muscles? Specifically, vitamin C helps reduce muscle inflammation and combats the effects of free radicals, harmful molecules that build up as you age. Vitamin E acts as a strong antioxidant, protecting muscle tissues from damage during movement or under stress. Both of these vitamins are found in kiwi in high amounts, helping boost recovery and protect muscle fibers while you rest at night. Contains potassium, supports muscle relaxation and prevents nighttime cramps. Nighttime cramps, especially in the calves, are very common in older adults. The cause is often a deficiency in minerals, especially potassium. Kiwi is a rich natural source of potassium, comparable to or even more than bananas. Eating kiwi in the evening can help balance electrolytes, relax muscles, and significantly reduce cramps during sleep. Low glycemic index, suitable for diabetics, or those on a diet. A common concern about eating fruit at night is the fear of blood sugar spikes. However, kiwi has a low glycemic index, GI, meaning it doesn't cause a sudden rise in blood sugar when consumed. This is especially beneficial for people with type 2 diabetes or those managing their weight. Additionally, kiwi is rich in fiber, which aids digestion, slows sugar absorption, and gives you a light feeling of fullness without heaviness. How to use kiwi effectively before sleep. To get the most out of kiwi, you can do the following. Eat 2 ripe kiwis about 1 hour before bed. You can eat them directly or slice them and mix with unsweetened yogurt if your stomach isn't sensitive to cold. If you often forget, place a small plate with kiwi in the kitchen or on your bedside table as a gentle nightly reminder. A small note when using kiwi has a cooling nature, so if you often get a cold stomach, eat it after warming up a while after dinner, and avoid eating it on an empty stomach. People with a history of allergies to berry-type fruits, like pineapple, papaya, should try a small amount first to check for reactions. A small change, a better night's sleep. In our increasingly modern lives, we often turn to medication to improve sleep or boost muscle mass, but sometimes just returning to nature, like adding 2 kiwis to your dinner, you're already helping your body in a natural, gentle and safe way. Kiwi not only helps you sleep better, but also supports better recovery, especially important for older adults where every hour of good sleep is precious. It's a simple, easy-to-implement choice, but full of love for your own health. Try starting tonight gently, without pressure, and feel the difference after a few days. You deserve a good night's sleep and to wake up each day with a healthier body. Eggs, a small food with big benefits for sleep and muscle health in older adults. After the age of 60, you may start noticing subtle changes in your body. Your arms aren't as strong, your steps are slower, you wake up feeling tired and lacking energy. These changes are completely normal. They're signs of age-related muscle loss known as sarcopenia. The good news is, you can improve this every day, starting with something very simple. One of the gentlest ways to support muscle health is eating a soft-boiled egg in the evening. It might sound modest, but the benefits of eggs can be surprisingly powerful. Why does the body need muscle repair at night? Your muscles work all day, walking, lifting, even breathing. When you sleep, your body begins the repair and rebuild process. Muscle cells recover, and damaged tissue gets regenerated. But to do this efficiently, your body needs the right materials. One of the most accessible, easily absorbed sources is eggs. Eggs, a complete protein source for muscle support. Eggs are considered a gold standard in nutrition because they provide complete protein containing all 9 essential amino acids that the body can't make on its own. One of these is particularly important for older adults: leucine. Leucine, the amino acid that triggers muscle building. Leucine is like a switch that activates muscle growth. It kickstarts protein synthesis in muscle tissue, helping muscles grow and repair after daily activities. While younger bodies respond well to exercise alone, older adults need more support, and leucine fills that gap. Good news: just 1 egg provides enough leucine to activate this process during rest. All 9 essential amino acids, the full set of building blocks. Imagine rebuilding an old wall. You need all the bricks, not just some. Likewise, your body needs all 9 essential amino acids to properly rebuild muscle tissue. If even one is missing, the process slows down or becomes ineffective. With eggs being nutritionally complete, they provide all the necessary building materials, helping you maintain strength, improve mobility, and reduce the risk of falls. Vitamin D, supporting strong muscles and bones. Eggs don't just offer protein, they also contain vitamin D, which helps absorb calcium and supports muscle strength. After 60, many people become deficient in vitamin D due to limited sun exposure or reduced absorption. While 1 egg won't meet your entire daily vitamin D requirement, it contributes to your intake as part of a natural food-based approach. Choline. For smooth nervous system. Function choline might not be well known, but it plays a key role in transmitting signals between your brain and muscles. Every time you want to move, like lifting your foot or grasping an object, your nervous system must communicate effectively. Choline ensures these signals are sent quickly and smoothly. Eggs are one of the best natural sources of choline. 4. Older adults' regular choline intake can help maintain memory, focus, and physical reflexes. How to eat eggs in the evening to support sleep and muscle recovery. A soft-boiled egg in the evening might seem simple, but used correctly, it can offer many benefits. Here's how. Boil until just set, soft-boiled. A slightly runny yolk is easier to digest and retains more nutrients. Eat 1 to 2 hours before bedtime. This is the ideal window for your body to absorb amino acids and begin the muscle repair. Processed tea. Pair with steamed vegetables or a light porridge if you need a fuller snack. Avoid oily or heavy foods that might disrupt digestion. A few quick notes. Don't eat raw eggs. The protein is less absorbable and may carry a risk of bacterial infection. If you have cholesterol or heart issues, consult your doctor about how many eggs are appropriate per week. For most healthy individuals, 1 egg per day is safe and beneficial. 1 egg, many benefits. A natural approach to health. You don't need expensive supplements to protect your muscles. Sometimes the best answers are right in your own kitchen, like a simple boiled egg in the evening. It's a small, easy, time-saving step, but with long-lasting benefits. Final thoughts. Our bodies know how to heal themselves as long as we provide. The right materials and enough rest. An egg a night can help you rebuild muscle, support your nervous system, and even improve your sleep so you wake up feeling stronger and more refreshed. Why not start tonight as a small, gentle act of self-care? Because every healthy day begins with a restful night. Pumpkin seeds, a natural sleep aid and muscle support for older adults. As we age past 60, changes in the body become more noticeable, from lingering muscle soreness to waking easily during the night. One effective way to manage these challenges is through diet, especially by including foods that help relax the body and promote restful sleep. One small but powerful food is pumpkin seeds. You may not realize it, but pumpkin seeds are more than just a tasty snack. They're a nutritional powerhouse for older adults. Let's explore how they work and why they're so helpful for both sleep and muscle health. Pumpkin seeds, rich in magnesium and tryptophan. Pumpkin seeds are packed with magnesium and tryptophan, two nutrients that play a key role in relaxation and sleep. Magnesium eases muscle tension and reduces stress. Magnesium is essential for muscle function, helping muscles relax after a full day of activity. When your body lacks magnesium, you may feel tense, fatigued, or experience nighttime muscle cramps. Pumpkin seeds are a great source of magnesium, helping relax muscles, reduce tension, and promote better sleep. That's why eating them in the evening can help you unwind, sleep more easily, and reduce issues like cramps or soreness at night. Tryptophan, the precursor to serotonin and melatonin. Tryptophan is an essential amino acid that helps produce serotonin and melatonin, two chemicals that regulate mood and sleep. Serotonin boosts relaxation and reduces stress, while melatonin helps you fall asleep and stay asleep. With their high tryptophan content, pumpkin seeds support the production of these important sleep-regulating hormones, helping you sleep more deeply and peacefully. Eating them in the evening can calm your body and mind, reducing the risk of insomnia or restlessness. Protein and healthy fats, fuel for the aging body. Pumpkin seeds also offer plant-based protein and healthy fats, which are especially important for older adults. These nutrients help maintain muscle health, support overall function, and provide steady energy. Protein, maintain and rebuild muscle. You've likely heard how crucial protein is for muscle repair and growth. As we age, we naturally lose muscle mass and strength, sarcopenia. Getting enough protein helps prevent this, supporting muscle retention and recovery after activity or stress. Pumpkin seeds provide about 7 grams of protein per 28 grams, 1 ounce, an excellent plant-based, easily digestible source, especially for vegetarians or those reducing meat intake. Healthy fats provide steady energy. Not all fats are bad, it's about choosing the right kind. Pumpkin seeds are rich in unsaturated fats, which provide sustained energy, especially during sleep. These fats help stabilize blood sugar, curb hunger, and fuel your body overnight without feeling heavy or bloated. How to eat pumpkin seeds for maximum benefit. Pumpkin seeds are a simple yet effective way to support sleep and muscle health. You can easily add them to your evening routine as a light snack that helps you relax and sleep better. Here are a few easy ways to enjoy them. Eat directly. Have 1 to 2 tablespoons of unsalted seeds on their own. They're crunchy, tasty, and very nutritious. Mix with yogurt. Combine with plain yogurt for a delicious and balanced snack that's easy to digest. Sprinkle on salad or porridge. Add to salads, soups, or rice porridge to boost both flavor and nutrition. Tips for eating pumpkin seeds. While pumpkin seeds are healthy, moderation is key. They're also calorie-dense. If you're watching your weight, limit your intake to 1 to 2 tablespoons a day. Choose unsalted and lightly roasted, or raw seeds to preserve nutrients. Over-processed seeds may lose some of their health benefits. Final thoughts. Pumpkin seeds may be small, but they're packed with nutrients that support relaxation, better sleep, and muscle strength in older adults. With their mix of magnesium, tryptophan, protein, carbs, and healthy fats, they offer lasting health benefits, no expensive supplements required. With just a small dietary change, you can enjoy the powerful benefits of pumpkin seeds daily, helping your body relax, sleep better, and stay strong. Thank you for watching today's video. We hope the information on sleep-supporting and muscle-protecting foods was helpful, especially for older adults. We've learned how simple foods like kiwi, eggs, and pumpkin seeds can be more than just tasty snacks. They're natural tools that help your body relax, restore, and sleep well. From key nutrients like melatonin, tryptophan, and magnesium to muscle-friendly protein and healthy fats, each one plays a role in supporting your muscles, mind, and sleep. To feel healthier and sleep better, just add a few simple changes to your daily diet. You'll notice a real difference. Remember, your health is shaped by your everyday habits. Build healthy routines, balance your lifestyle, and never underestimate the power of a good night's sleep. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to stay updated with more useful tips. Wishing you a restful sleep and a healthy, energized body every day.